You know that one person who strolls into absolute chaos like it's just another Tuesday? The car's dead. You're completely stranded. Instantly, panic sets in for literally everyone around you. Boom, the laptop crashes. Critical files, gone. You can feel the anxiety skyrocketing in the room. Everybody freezes except them. While we're all spiraling, they just quietly start figuring it out piece by piece. So what's their secret? Surprisingly, it is not raw intelligence, natural confidence, or even having done it before. Albert Bandura called this self-efficacy. It's the rock-solid belief that you can actually handle the problem in front of you. This single belief is a total game changer. It massively boosts your persistence and the raw effort you pour in. Think about a kid's first successful fix. Just wiggling a loose wire literally rewires how they see themselves. Bandura called these mastery experiences. Actually doing it yourself is hands down the most powerful way to build self-efficacy. Then there's Julian Rotter's locus of control. Fixers firmly believe their own actions, not blind luck, determine the outcome. Having an internal locus is huge. It actually protects against depression and drastically improves how you handle intense stress. Look, fixers feel uncertainty too, but their tolerance for ambiguity lets them treat the unknown as just a starting point. But let's be totally honest, sometimes constantly fixing things is just a trauma response where finding solutions equaled getting approval. See the difference? The anxious fixer physically cannot relax, but the curious fixer? They're just genuinely fascinated by broken things. Curious fixers will literally tear apart a fixed item just to understand it. They fall in love with competence itself. Now, if you're someone who outsources your broken things, I promise you it is absolutely not a character flaw. It's just a history that taught you problems just happen to you. But here's the good news. That isn't permanent. So start small. Tighten one screw. Make one call. Don't wait for a savior. Build self-efficacy through tiny wins.